Content Studio is a popular social media management and analytics tool, but before deciding whether it's the right choice for you, there are 12 key things you need to know to make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. The first thing to know is that Content Studio offers a lot of features, including social media scheduling, automation, and analytics. However, compared to its competitors like Buffer or Hootsuite, it stands out for its ability to manage content across multiple platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, all from one dashboard. So, if you're managing a lot of accounts, this can save you a significant amount of time. Next thing, Content Studio's analytics dashboard is powerful, offering insights on engagement, follower growth, and post performance. But here's the catch: while it's useful, it doesn't provide the same in-depth reporting you'll find with other tools like Sprout Social. If you're a data-driven marketer, this could be a limitation for you. The third thing to consider is its content discovery feature. Content Studio makes it easy to find content to share by using an AI-driven content curation engine. This is a great time saver for social media managers. However, competitors like BuzzSumo have more advanced content research tools if that's something you prioritize. Another thing to know is its pricing structure. Content Studio offers a tiered subscription model, and the price can go up quickly as you scale. While it's affordable at first, for businesses that grow quickly, the costs can add up, especially if you need advanced features. If you're on a budget, you might want to compare it to options like Buffer, which offers a more straightforward pricing model for basic features. The fifth thing worth mentioning is its user interface. Content Studio is known for being user-friendly, with an intuitive layout that makes it easy to schedule posts, track analytics, and find new content. Compared to other tools like AgriPulse, which can feel a bit overwhelming for new users, Content Studio is much easier to navigate. Next, Content Studio excels when it comes to team collaboration. It offers features like content approval workflows, making it perfect for teams. However, if your team needs more robust collaboration tools, something like Hootsuite or Sprinkler may offer better functionality, especially for large teams with complex needs. The seventh thing to keep in mind is its automation capabilities. Content Studio offers automated publishing, which helps you save time and manage your posts in advance. However, if you're after more advanced automation and artificial intelligence features, tools like Later and CoSchedule might be better suited to your needs. Another key point is its integration options. Content Studio integrates with most major social networks and a few third-party apps, but it's not as extensive as some of its competitors. If you're looking for more extensive integration capabilities, tools like SocialBee and Zapier integrations might offer more flexibility. The ninth thing is the content approval system. This is an essential feature for those running large social media teams. While Content Studio offers a basic approval system, it's not as sophisticated as other platforms like Sprinkler or Hootsuite, which offer a more detailed, step-by-step approval process. The 10th thing to consider is customer support. Content Studio's support is decent, but it's not 24/7 like some other services. If you need immediate help, competitors like Buffer or Sprout Social might be more responsive, especially with their live chat options. The 11th thing is its mobile app. Content Studio's mobile app is functional, but it doesn't compare to some of the more polished apps from competitors like Hootsuite or Buffer, which offer more seamless experiences for managing posts on the go. And the 12th thing is the free trial. Content Studio offers a free trial, so you can test out the features before committing to a subscription. However, if you're after something more tailored to your business needs, you might want to look into alternatives that offer better customization options for your marketing strategy. All in all, Content Studio is a solid choice for businesses looking for a simple, cost-effective solution for social media management. But if you're after something with more advanced analytics, team collaboration, or integrations, you might find other tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite to be a better fit. That said, if you're looking for a tool that's easy to use and gets the job done without a lot of extra frills, Content Studio could be the perfect solution for you. Try it out for free and see if it fits your needs.